March is here. The air is warmer, the days are brighter, and nature is waking up. Let's follow Anaya and Christopher as they share their exciting March adventures and help you speak English confidently. Hi, Christopher. Can you believe it's already March? The first signs of spring are everywhere.
Hi, Anaya. Yes, it's already March, and I can see the signs of spring everywhere around us.
I really enjoy March because the weather starts warming up after the cold winter months.
I like March too, because the weather is much warmer and more comfortable than the cold winter.
The flowers are blooming beautifully this month, and the parks look so colorful and lively.
The flowers blooming in March make everything look colorful, lively, and full of positive energy.
Have you noticed that the days are getting longer and brighter, making everything feel fresh?
I enjoy seeing longer days in March because it gives me more time to spend outdoors.
March always gives me a sense of new beginnings, and I feel motivated to try new things.
March feels refreshing, and I feel more motivated to start new activities or projects during this month.
I love taking early morning walks in March when the air is still cool and refreshing.
I often go jogging or take morning walks in March because the air is so cool and pleasant.
The sky looks so clear and blue in March, and it makes me feel peaceful inside.
Sometimes I just sit near the window and enjoy the sunlight streaming through during March mornings.
Sometimes it rains lightly in March, and I enjoy listening to the soft drops on my window.
The gentle rains in March feel nice, and I like the smell of wet soil and fresh flowers.
Christopher, do you like going outside and enjoying nature during March, or do you prefer indoors?
I actually enjoy going outside during March because the weather is so pleasant and the fresh air feels really refreshing. Walking in the park or sitting under the trees is much more relaxing than staying indoors. But sometimes, if it's a rainy morning, I like to stay inside with a warm cup of tea and read a book.
I've noticed that people seem happier and more energetic in March compared to winter months.
Yes, I've noticed that too. I think the longer, sunnier days and the fresh spring air really lift everyone's mood. People are more willing to go outside, exercise, and enjoy activities they avoided during the cold winter months.
Spring really starts in March, and it's the perfect time for planting flowers in the garden.
March is perfect for planting flowers, vegetables, or small trees because the weather is ideal for growth.
I love watching birds sing and fly around the trees, especially during March mornings.
I also enjoy seeing birds flying and singing, which is more common in March mornings.
March is also special because of St. Patrick's Day. I enjoy decorating a little for the celebration.
Festivals in March like St. Patrick's Day are fun to celebrate and make the month more exciting.
I sometimes feel like going on small trips or picnics during March because the weather is perfect.
I sometimes plan short trips in March to enjoy the pleasant weather and the beauty of nature.
Have you ever tried gardening in March? I feel it's a very relaxing and satisfying activity.
Gardening in March is enjoyable because planting flowers or vegetables makes me feel productive and calm.
The breeze in March is cool but gentle, and it makes walking or jogging so enjoyable.
The gentle March breeze makes walking, jogging, or cycling outdoors a very pleasant experience.
I like drinking warm tea while sitting near the window and watching the March sunlight outside.
I like drinking warm tea while enjoying the March sun because it feels comforting and relaxing.
The mornings in March feel calm and peaceful, almost like a fresh start to the day.
The mornings in March are so peaceful that it feels like the perfect start to a productive day.
I enjoy taking photographs of flowers and trees because March makes everything look so beautiful.
I enjoy taking pictures of colorful flowers and trees because everything looks so beautiful in March.
Christopher, do you notice how cheerful people are in the streets and parks during March?
Anaya, have you noticed how cheerful people seem in streets, parks, and gardens during March?
March is the perfect month for starting new hobbies or learning something creative.
March is the best month to start new hobbies or focus on creative projects because of the positive atmosphere.
I like wearing light jackets in March because it's neither too hot nor too cold outside.
I like wearing light jackets in March because the weather is cool but not too cold or too hot.
Sometimes I go cycling in the mornings and the fresh March air makes me feel alive.
I enjoy cycling or jogging in March mornings because the fresh air feels energizing and motivating.
I feel more productive in March because the longer days make it easier to get things done.
I feel more motivated and energetic in March because longer days allow me to get more things done.
Christopher, do you feel motivated or energized when March comes around every year?
Yes, Anaya. Do you feel more productive and energized when March comes each year?
I enjoy decorating my home with green and colorful flowers to celebrate the March season.
I enjoy decorating my home in March with flowers and greenery to celebrate the spring season.
The gentle sunlight in March mornings makes me want to sit outside and just relax.
The soft sunlight in March mornings makes me want to sit outside and enjoy the calm atmosphere.
I sometimes take long walks in March evenings to enjoy the calm and cool breeze.
I like taking long walks in March evenings to enjoy the fresh air and peaceful surroundings.
I feel that March is the perfect month to reflect on life and plan for new goals.
March is the perfect month to reflect, plan, and set goals because everything feels fresh and alive.
I love observing children playing in parks during March because everyone seems happier outside.
Watching children play in parks during March is very enjoyable because everyone seems happy and cheerful.
March is not too extreme in weather, so I can enjoy both indoor and outdoor activities comfortably.
March is not too extreme in terms of weather, so I can enjoy both indoor and outdoor activities comfortably.
I sometimes write in my journal during March mornings because the atmosphere feels inspiring.
Sometimes I write in my journal during March mornings because the atmosphere inspires me to reflect.
The month always makes me want to explore nature, take photos, and enjoy peaceful moments.
March makes me want to explore nature, take photographs, and enjoy calm and peaceful moments outdoors.
I feel March is a reminder of hope and growth, just like the trees coming back to life.
I feel March reminds us of hope, growth, and new opportunities, just like trees coming back to life.
I enjoy trying new hobbies or activities in March because the weather feels refreshing and motivating.
Trying new hobbies or learning something creative in March feels more motivating and enjoyable.
March is a month when everything feels fresh, and I like planning outdoor gatherings with friends.
March is perfect for planning outdoor gatherings with friends or enjoying time in the garden.
I sometimes visit local gardens and parks in March to enjoy the colorful flowers and fresh air.
Visiting local parks or gardens in March is always refreshing because the weather and flowers are perfect.
The cool mornings and warm afternoons make March a perfect month for walking or cycling outdoors.
The mornings are cool and the afternoons are warm, making March ideal for long walks or cycling.
I always feel happy when March comes because it feels like a beautiful, fresh start for everyone.
I always feel happy and inspired when March arrives because it feels like a fresh start for everyone.
That's all for today's March conversation. We hope you enjoyed learning new words, practicing natural sentences, and feeling the springtime energy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more fun English learning adventures.